In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the rent amount on Zillow. If you're managing properties on Zillow and need to update the rent, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that everything is crystal clear and easily manageable. So, let's dive right into it. First, we need to sign in to Zillow Rental Manager. Head over to Zillow's website and look for the Rental Manager login section. Enter your credentials, your username and password. Make sure that you have these details ready to go. Once you're signed in, we're already half the way there. Now that you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Your next task is to navigate to the Properties tab. This is usually found in the main navigation menu at the top of the screen. Just give that a click. This section is the hub for your property management, giving you access to all your listed properties. With the Properties tab open, you'll see a list displaying all the properties you manage. From this list, you need to select the specific property for which you want to update the rent. Click on that property, and it will take you to a page that holds all its details. Here is where the magic happens. On the Property Details page, look for the section that mentions Rent. Close to the current rent amount, there is usually an option labeled Edit. This is your key to making the necessary changes. Click on that Edit button, and you'll be able to update the rent to reflect whatever changes you need. Be sure to enter the exact figure you want as the new rent amount. Once you've updated the rent figure, you'll also want to specify the effective date for this change. This is the date when the new rent will start being applicable. Make sure to double-check this, as it will help in ensuring that everything transitions smoothly for both you and your tenants. After you've entered the new amount and set the effective date, the final crucial step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button and give it a click. It's often as simple as that, but don't rush through it. Give it a moment to process and confirm that everything is saved correctly. This ensures that your updated rent amount is officially recorded on Zillow. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of updating your rent amount on Zillow. By following these steps, you can manage your listings more efficiently and keep your information current at all times. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a quick refresher.